Hi everyone. Are you 18 years of age as of 1st January 2022? Then you're eligible to apply for an EPIC or a voter ID card.
I'm turning 18 soon, but I don't know what to do.
Well, it just takes 5 minutes. You can either download the Voter Helpline app or you can go to voterportal.eci.gov.in and fill out Form 6. This is the form needed for you to enroll for voter ID.
Wow! I never knew it was this easy. It really took just 5 minutes. Thank you.
And that's not all. The Voter Helpline app and the website can also be used to shift your assembly constituency, Form 6, and to correct any incorrect information on your voter ID, Form 8. Why stand in line when you can enroll online?
Members of the Wu Thai Association of Meghalaya in a press conference had announced their participation in the forthcoming World Wu Thai Championships in Phuket, Thailand. Some of its members had participated in trials at New Delhi prior to their selection to the Phuket Championships that would be held on the 5th and 6th of December this year. Speaking to the media, the president of the association, Angelus Sun, expressed his gratitude to all who have contributed and supported the association in more ways than one. He informed that recently the association had approached Meghalaya Sports Minister Bante Dorlingdor regarding the trip to Thailand and were assured of financial assistance from him. Sun, who announced the names of participants and officials who will be taking part in the championship in Phuket, said that the participants include Pinebor Malimngap, who will compete in the 51 kgs category, Maitisan Nonglang in the under 23 48 kgs category, officials international referee Angelus Sun, who is also the association's president cum coach, and Pansuklang Sumer, who will be appearing for his exams in Thailand for the position of international referee.
Kajingsang isya selek merungut ikna laingut kideki junior laingut kideki senior arngut ki sinran nakaleng senior iwe kentai ki junior iwe kentai ber arngut ki sinran dan rehadin bangila drop no ikini official way tentai dan ini benlek nam taka exam benlek stay nam ta belong qualified by benlong kumta international referee judges ba Pansuklang Sumer di Malaysia bentai kini ka wall kemburu free yang teh ten rei kini kijinglut par khoi minta kalong no kombatang sanlak sanlak tam na kaliang ka association nomor ngila khain ka dum kijinglut nginam la ban ai tam kani ka dei vet kala long exact karet ka ba kijinglut jungi nomor ngimla ban sina tam ni sina tuna ka dum ka fees teh khuna wewe khuna long nyo hajar praspa kemud we ladang nilai armut kalong silap sanusan ruspa bat ngi ke official galong ba ka khamram nomor ini habri cimenta kumbur free teh nam takan ke exam te khamram kan koi prap nai jan ruspa te bat by flight galong ka by ka total bat by flight bat balik berwan rohat ka bangilik nang po China siapo Thailand stay galong prap nyo ja sanspa nyo po bat ka bangilik negoti China sa goti galong nyo hajar pro Tekini jinglut kilong lumla kemba saulak nafsanaja sauspa sanpra.
On the various challenges faced by Wu Thai players in the state, Angelus Sin said that it has become a problem for participants of national and international events who have no experience in ring fights due to the absence of such in the entire state. However, with inclusion of the sports in the Olympics, and with the introduction of the new Meghalaya sports policy, the association is hopeful of overcoming various challenges faced by its players in former times, Sun added.
Ni ka ba state Meghalaya mentangi padon takering lo. Ting habang pelong ya state ton men la hau arja ka khnai arsan bar akndreu hau bunai Oktober ngla pelong mulai ling ba ka jira tung sport mistar le keren ya ka boxing association bakin ai tiga ring ngilala dan pelang kasuk ka tournament kalau long sukses ba berhadiah untuk ngalih pensimentar ya ka nasional berkena tinggi gila sajet kembah saumut pensimentar siapa Abu Dhabi kalau ada siapa ka Pori Arab ha te nang ta ndai hadin ki jinglong di ukubit tengem sim layo ban sim mentah